क्रिएटिव चैनल्स को और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दीजिए जिससे आप अपडेट रहें हमारे हर वीडियो से।
Hello friends, hi, how are you? And you're watching my channel, The Creative Help. After the long time I'm uploading the video because of some lockdown is going on, and I have a lot of pressure. So my name is engineer Muhammad Ahmed Islam, and I did my BTech from Jamia Millia Islamia. If you are new, so I have more than 6 year experience in HVAC. So today we are going to learn about the building management system, and which we will go to learn BMS. वैलिडेशंस का मिस होता है एक्यूरेसी के बारे में हम बात करते हैं, हाउ मच यू आर correct at the time of just doing the process of BMS. So we will do all these things in this single video, so don't worry. So basically why we need to validate the BMS, this is the first question. Number of people are asking this type of question at the time of interview, and even you have to know about that. Very very important for anything like in interview and for your knowledge also. So what is the valid of BMS? It means the objective to conduct the validations, like whatever the you are doing for the validations to produce the document like evident which ensure the high level of confidence, whatever the data you have acquired, okay, for the system problem and whatever the risks of failure. So you have to know about what is our lacking point. So you should have to know about the data, and data, weather or data. So this is some, and to improve the operational efficiency to progress. So I will explain it this. Okay, so here is something. Okay, so suppose you have some data, okay, and you need to explain this. Suppose I have showing some bar offside. Okay, leave it. So if suppose you have some data, so for if anything a problem happen in future and in past, like in past something is happen, so at the time you have the data and you know about what is the problem faced and what will happen in the past, to how to overcome this type of problem and how to improve our efficiency. This is the main function of validations of data. Okay, so this is the to improve the operational efficiency of the progress. So validations is like to conduct to improve the system. So I have already explained and what is the what type of functions and how they are doing all this type of things, whether they check the measure the designer specifications are as per the designer specifications, are the materials are there or not. Okay, so this is the main BMS functions are there. So validations should be there. So if we are talking about the BMS, so here number of people are considering not a building management system, it is like the building monitoring system. So in management system we know the BMS is like a building management system, but for the validations we will consider the building monitoring system like this. Okay, this is the building monitoring system. So here just computerized system network architect and software, like the source code programmings are there. So in programming the controller input and output are there. For monitoring GPM, this is GPM is like there's some I will make a one video of GPM. There is some confusion about the good manufacturing practice. This is like the good manufacturing practice. So good manufacturing practice is whether it is monitoring for the good manufacturing practice like element or non-good manufacturing element. So this is two things for the validations. A part of the federal code के हिसाब से whatever the federal code we are following, so we have know about the physically and logically uh, segregation between the GPM and non-GPM element to avoid the conflict of input and output. So this is a full I will make a video on GPM, so don't worry whether we have considered the GPM good manufacturing practice and other else for the, because in sometime GPM is like to correct to obtain a data or data for improve the efficiency and efficiency, but this is for improve the data for collections of data for improve the process and manufacturing. So sometime they have a different concern, so I will explain in next video, so don't worry. Okay, so in first video I have explained the very enough all this thing about. So from the second slide we will go very fast, so I am speaking very slowly, whether you have to go 2x or 3x in the YouTube. So let's see, there is some something like evaluations, system evaluations like that, what is the crucial and evaluating the system against the standard GXP. So we know that system environment should be there in configurations, okay, for before installing and training requirements. So whatever the installations we have done on the site, so we should know about the evaluations of this all the system, and we should check the risk assessment. So risk assessment is like that to life cycle of the computer system, okay, identify the critical control of define and a specified document. So this is the to know about the what type of the risks will become affect the range of the definite period of time. So we should know about all these things, and regulate whatever the company must be able to justify in-house standard for what are the protocol. As per the protocol we should record the procedure, accept the criteria, and analyze all these things, okay. So this all the things is very important for the company. So test and verification and commissioning. So test and verification and commissioning is like to perform the commissioning process. If we are talking about the BMS, HVAC, after the installations we are just doing the commissioning to run the system, just like this, in consist of the testing, okay. We are just testing phase, commissioning phase, integrating phase, and all things are come into the testing, verification, and commissioning. So we have to know all the data of the commissioning data sheet, so submit period to the acceptance test, okay. So if you don't able to know what I am talking for HVAC, okay, for HVAC when we are just we had install all these things. So before N2 pressure we are checking the what type of pressure inside the pipe, okay. So how much pressure inside the pipe. So we are installing a nitrogen gas at some pressure, then we are checking whether there is some leaking or not. So in HVAC we are doing like all the commissioning, same type of commissioning we have to do in the BMS system also, same type, okay. So it's like a BMS, we after the installations we are just checking the all the procedures of system program commissioning to verify the control panel is installed according to the plan or not. So this is a very important things if the interviewer asks to. So this is a very important things you have to consider and test and calibrate, and the device sensor are working or not. So this is a very important. So BMS unit and PNI their verifications like that. The objective of verification in BMS to ensure the all the system and instrument equipment have properly connected or not. So this is a very important things for the diagram, whatever the diagram we have, and as per the diagram we have installed or not. And system component and verification and installation. So this is very important. So what is the objective of for this, to know about all the as per the conditions and a specification we have installed the system or not. This is very important. So wiring cabling verification. So as whatever we have done in HVAC, same thing is like that in BMS system. So the objective to verify the all type of the wiring and cabling system properly connected or not. So identify and manufacturing specifications. Or so if you are really new, so if the contractor or somebody giving the order, so they are mentioning the this type of wire should be there, this type of this company should be allowed to install in this area. So whatever the company name of the cable and wire and panel system we have already quoted, so all the same things present on the site must be okay. So we have here we are just know about the cable wiring component. So input and output verification is to ensure to address properly connected to the manufacturing specification or not. System sequence and test like and phase is like that, to test the phase to ensure the all systems running a process flow which is designed or not. So this is all are the connected. The software functionality, so if you don't know about the software, we have already 2 and 3 videos on the software of BMS and backup and version verifications. So you should know and go to the all these things to objective. What is the objective? To install the software perfectly and function is as per the requirement or not. Okay, and this is the main function. And software system verification is done to integration of software and hardware. So for the software verification, we should know about the integration of the software is completely done with the hardware. Okay, and the scope between the system and setup, hardware and software is requirement. Okay, so this is the IT infrastructure and verification is something the what is the objective? The verify the integration of software, hardware, networking is complete system. So this is the IT manufacturing system is okay. So network remote accessibility is there or not. Okay, so validation approach, it is a very important term, validation approach. And validation approach is like perform complete setup of validation, okay, for the site acceptance test. Before giving the site to the client, we have to do all these things, test, and to know the installation qualification. Okay, we have already discussed about this type of all these things we have already discussed. Okay, so all like P and ID check we have done or not, and the wire system we have done or not, safety check we have done or not very well. So document of all the information and validation data sheet is submitted to the validations test. So this is very important. So implementations of BMS system is nowadays to modern technology make everything easy. So this is the everything can be reached in hand. And building management system using the real-time monitoring. So in the real-time monitoring, we display the status, generate the report whether the graphs are trending or not, and sensor calibrations is there or not. Okay, warning according to the if there is any system fail, so we will record the event and warning. So perform the facility management, so generate the report, graph, and all these things are implementations of BMS. The monitoring the data, secure the store, all these things. The process data recovery software is there. Okay, so this is as per the company policy we have doing. So what is defining the BMS alarm? So BMS alarm is something wrong is happen. So we should correct the strategy to carefully implement what is the problem and regulations we do have to with the BMS system during the conducting risk assessment. So measure the study, assess the critical value and of software feature, like drive the alarm reporting data, historical tabular system. Whatever the past we have the data, at what time there is suffered this type of thing. So we should know about all this thing, unnecessary alarm or not. So sometime operation mode, door by door open, this is all these things. So it is very difficult to have to knowledge like alarm and answer on this sometime. So here we should to implement like access through the risk assessment and the risk management. The validity and document is as the evidence. So if we have some data, so this data will use to improve our efficiency as per the requirements. So this is a main. So review of electronic record and electronic signature. So in BMS we are just doing like that, so record all this real-time monitoring system and period of data collections we have telling. So in BMS system the critical is like defined as the GPM environment. So what is the environment of GPM? We have already discussed about the GPM in the initial of this video, and impact of should be met. So relevant parties should be managed and control the reviewing. So whatever the electronic record are, they are not apply the signature or not, proper procedure have done or not. Okay, the user requirement and specifications, this is the very important things defined clearly during the generate the user requirement specification, design review and testing validations. So this is very important to review the electronic and record. So we have done all these things, and thank you for watching our videos. If you are new, please subscribe my channel, and if you want to see this video in Hindi, so please go and comment on my channel. And thank you, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.